Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. Today we will see social institution, third chapter in sociology, page number 149. Let us see now meaning of social institution. The study of social institution is important to understand the society. Social institutions fulfill the social needs of human beings. Listen, the social institutions fulfill the social needs of human beings. The social institutions is that all of roles, status, moral values, and functions catering to the social needs of human beings. It has organized belief, practices, and activity systems. Listen, dear students, the social institutions fulfill the social needs of human beings. Got it? The social institutions are fulfill the social needs of human beings. Okay? Usually, when people get together to achieve their common needs and desires, institutions grow. It requires many rules and regulations to function, since the social rules and customs remain in operation. Social institutions are born. Listen, when was the social institution was born? When the people get together to achieve their common needs or desires. Desires means goals. The time the institutions also grow in the society. Got it? Got it, dear students? And all the social institution in the society has many rules and regulation for the purpose of to do functions. Functions means work. Okay. According to Summer and Keller, like living beings that have organs and cells, societies also have customs and institutions. Listen, according to Summer and Keller, they are the sociologists. According to them, the living beings has organs and cells. Similarly, the societies has customs and institutions. Got it? Summer also says a social institution is a permanent structure that fulfills the desires of human beings. According to Massiver and Page, social institutions are the structure devised to fulfill the desires of a particular social group. The state, family, marriage, court of law are the few examples of social institutions. What are the examples of social institutions? Listen, the state, family, marriage, court of law are the few examples of social institutions. Social institutions are those socially approved social structure that are devised to fulfill the desires of human beings. The social institutions are socially approved. Got it? Socially approved. Let us see now. Now let us learn the features of social institution. Let us first one is universal. Social institutions are found in all societies. They are all a human civilization, irrespective of time and space. Social institutions are present in all human societies. Family, marriage, and school have been part of the human societies with necessary changes. Listen, dear students. Let us see now first point of first feature of social institution. First one is universal. Universal means worldwide. Universal means what? Worldwide. Social institutions are found in all societies. Got it? The social institutions we can see in all societies. They are the old as human civilization. The social institutions are not a new. They are the old. Got it? Irrespective of time and space, social institutions are present in all human societies. Family, marriage, and school have been part of the human societies with necessary changes. Second one is social institutions have rules. The rules of the social institution regulate the behavior of the members. The members who violate the rules are prohibited from the participation. Social institutions direct their members to perform roles as per the rules strictly. In families, the role of elders and youngest ones are fixed as per the rules framed by the individual families. Listen, dear students, social institutions have rules. Listen, the rules of the social institution regulate the behavior of the members. Why we need rules in social institutions? Because to regulate our behavior, so we need rules and regulation in our social institutions. Okay. The members who violate the rules are prohibited from the participation. Social institutions direct their members to perform rules as per the rules strictly. Got it? The simple words, try to understand this. Okay? In families, the role of elders and youngest ones are fixed as per the rules framed by the individual families. Third point, social institutions fulfill the basic needs. The social institution fulfill the basic needs of human beings like shelter, food, sexual desire, procreation, and personality development. Various social institutions work in coordination to fulfill these needs. Listen, dear students, the social institutions are fulfill the basic needs of an human beings. What are the basic needs? Let us listen now. Shelter, food, sexual desire, procreation, and personality development are the basic needs of human beings. Who fulfill these basic needs? The social institutions are fulfill these basic needs of human beings. Got it? Next feature, written and unwritten rules and regulation. The social institutions have both written and unwritten rules and regulation. The customs, traditions, value system, and others remain unwritten. The modern social institutions like court, schools, and the government have written rules and regulations. Listen, dear students, the social institutions has written and unwritten rules and regulation. Got it? Example for unwritten rules and regulations, the customs, tradition, value system, and etc. are unwritten. It is not have in the writing form. They are the unwritten. Got it? The modern social institutions like courts, schools, and government has written rules and regulation. Got it? That is fifth one, interconnected relationship. The social institution is a given society remain interconnected. In a traditional society, the family took care of bringing up a child, whereas in modern society, the school shares the role of bringing up child. Children who come from different families undergo socialization in the school. The social institutions remain interconnected and complement each other. Okay, the social institutions are has interconnected relationships. The social institutions has interconnected relationships. Got it? Let's see now importance of social institution. Medium of culture. Social institutions are medium of transfer cultural assets like knowledge, customs, values, and others from generation to generation. Hence, social institutions are important for the social life. Listen, dear students, the social institutions are transfer the knowledge, customs, values, and others from one generation to another generation. Got it? Got it, dear students? Second point, fulfill the needs of the members. The social institutions fulfill the basic needs of human beings and also regulate their behavior. You already know what are the basic needs of human beings: shelter, food, sexual desire, procreation, etc. are the basic needs of human being. These needs are fulfilled by the social institution. Got it? Third point, define and regulate the behavior of members. The social institutions prescribe and define good and bad behaviors. Schools define our way of dressing and other behavior. The school corrects our bad behavior by various means like punishment, reprimands, and restriction. If the desired correction is not achieved, then the school resorts to legal course of action. Like this, social institutions strive to regulate the human behaviors. Listen, dear students, the social institutions are define and regulate the behavior of the members in the society or institution. Got it? Fourth point, social institutions provide roles to individuals. The social institutions assign to their members based on their age and other characteristics. Family assigns relationship based on the age. Similarly, social institutions assign roles to members by defining their relationships. Got it, dear students? Then the functions and role of the social institutions you not have, because government already reduced remaining topics for you. Okay, this much is enough for you. Okay, now quick glance. Listen dear students once. First you need to understand the glance the meaning of social institution. Meaning of social institution. Got it? Listen, what do you mean by social institution? A social institution is a permanent structure that fulfills the desires of human beings. Got it? This is a one meaning or definition. Second one is, as according to Massive One page, social institutions are the structure devised to fulfill the desires of a particular social group. Got it? Let us see now features of social institution. First one is universal. Second one is social institutions have rules. Third one is social institutions fulfill the basic needs. Fourth one, written and unwritten rules and regulations. Fifth one, interconnected relationship. These are the features of social institutions. Got it? Let us see now importance of social institution. The first one is the social institutions are the medium of culture. Second one is the social institutions are fulfill the needs of the members. Third one is define and regulate the behavior of members. Fourth one is social institutions provide roles to individuals. This is today's topic. The remaining you not have. Okay. I hope you clear this today's topic, today's lesson, dear students. The homework is you need to write, you need to answer the uh, second mind. Second mind, they have 4 questions. Among them, except 2 questions. First one, third one, fourth one. You need to answer. Okay, you need to answer. Got it, dear students? This is an homework for you, and first one also you can answer. The fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Second one, except second question. Balance 3. You need to answer. Okay. This is an homework for you. In case if you not understand, you can call and ask. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all.